Would you like to become a content writer? Then you need to know AIDA. AIDA is one of the simplest but the most powerful tool that I know that can help you frame your blog post, your sales content, your ad. This simple tool can be very handy for you if you're a content writer and a copywriter. So let me explain what an AIDA is. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. So when you have to look at a blank screen and you have to look at a blank page and start writing, the best thing that you can do is to start with a framework. And the AIDA framework allows you to plan out what you need to write in your content. First and foremost is attention. Attention is the reminder that you need to not simply write words, you need to get their attention. You need to ensure that people are hooked so that they are interested in reading more. And if you look at ads that you see in your Facebook, or if you look at Google on the right side, you see the ads, all those are written specifically to capture your attention. Let me show you an example of attention capturing. Now, if you see here, this is an olden time ad about a book. And this is the heading, Dance on Your Doctor's Grave, right? Look at the picture too. The old man is dancing on the grave of supposedly his doctor. Now, and this is a book about aging, long life, all of that. So this captures attention. Would you agree? Let me expand it a little bit more so that you see it. So isn't this an awesome way to capture attention? It is funny, amusing. It gives the exact message. You understand exactly what it is about, right? And you are interested in now knowing more. So by seeing this, you are telling, hey, that is interesting. I need to know more. I need to know more. And a good example of this is also if you look at the Medium, if you go to medium.com and if you look at articles there, you'll see that they use this quite a bit. Let me show you some example there as well. All right, so I have Medium here for you. Can you look at the headings here? For example, how I made first $1,000 on Upwork and how you can too. Interesting, right? So if you look at one of these articles here, this follows the AIDA method. Now, if you see here, he's a content writer, just like you and I. Now, they started with a very attractive headline that will reel in people who are looking for making money online. So, this is an excellent headline. And then he starts with uh, statistics here to keep your interest going. And then he follows the same models that I'm going to share with you in my video on how to write content based on my blog formula, right? So the blog formula that you can use, now this formula is not specifically mine, but I have put it together after years of learning. You can use it too. I'll share that with you in the next video. Look for it. Now here, this article is full of evidence that builds credibility. It tells, okay, he can be trusted. He did actually make money, right? And and then gives instructions. So it keeps you in there and makes you want to read more and keeps you till the end. And this is a great example. If you are into content writing, start looking through the Medium articles and see their templates. I'll share with you some of the key tips that I have put together from these Medium articles and what I've learned over the years. Look forward to the video on the blog content formula. Now, let me go back to Dance on Your Doctor's Grave. So this is a great way. Now, we might not be able to come up with very amusing, creative ways all the time, but having this model of AIDA can be very helpful so that you don't get stuck. Now, let me also show you another example. So here there are no pictures, but if you see here, this is the headline, and then there is the lure. Yeah, so we'll talk about the title, the lure, and the value add in the upcoming video that I talked about. I'll put the link to the video in the description here so you can see it directly after you finish watching this video. All right, so let's go back to AIDA. So once you capture their attention through a headline, something amusing, then you build up interest. You need to have people envision what they are wanting to become, what they want to achieve, envision them as having achieved it, make it simple, show them that there is a pathway, and that will build up interest. The next is desire. Desire is when they are fully immersed and they can actually find themselves thinking, hey, this is possible for me. And that will ensure that their desire is there to take the next action, whatever you tell them to do. And the last one is action or a call to action. You need to end this with a call to action that will tell them what should they do next. Should they read another article, or should they pick up the phone and call you? Should they watch a next video? Whatever they need to do, you need to specify at the end of the entire article. So a blog post and even a sales page can benefit by applying this AIDA principle. And it is so simple to use. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, action. You start with capturing attention through the headline. You build up interest, show them that there is a path to what they want, or give them value, what they are searching for, and then build up desire on making it sound positive that they can get what they are looking for and they can achieve that. And the last one is action. Tell them what they need to do next. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. I put the description of the next video that you need to watch. Um, Please click on that and then